Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find data saver and how to turn on data saver on your accounts on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you will find data saver. Click on it, and now all you have to do is click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to find and turn on data saver on your accounts on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.